Well, Betty, you can look at it both ways, as you mentioned. It is a campaign tool, of course, the Jubilee government seeking what it has been saying in political rallies, now wanting to make that on an official side. They even have a Twitter handle, PDU, that Presidential Delivery Unit. It already has some 18,000 followers, as well as trying in the grassroots. That is where maybe people don't have access to social media, to the internet. There, maybe they will use the campaign rallies to sell their ideas, to sell their agenda, to talk about what they have been able to achieve in the last 4 years. But for those who can access the internet, perhaps they will be banking on that. They will be able to access this portal and see what the Jubilee government has been able to do. The president launching this as he marks his 4th year since he took over, since he was sworn in. He is already here at the KICC. He arrived a short while ago. And according to the program, it will be an event that will also include a panel discussion. The president will be engaging several guests, several participants here on various issues. They will be trying to showcase those developments. Of course, Jubilee's pet project, the SGR, we're hoping to see what they have been able to achieve in the education sector, in the terms of energy, people being connected to the national electricity grid. There has been also developments, what they have been able to achieve in the devolution process, what laws have been enacted so far, what is it that the national government, the county's government, when it comes to the devolution process, has been able to take off so far. So we'll be waiting to see what happens this morning. Betty, there have been critics around arguing that in some of those things that Jubilee says it has been able to achieve, has been able to implement, for example, the issue of electricity. We have seen those homes being connected, some of them mud huts, and critics have been saying that perhaps the government is focusing on the wrong things, arguing that someone who lives in a mud hut, perhaps electricity is the least of their worries. So Betty will be waiting to hear and see what the Jubilee government has to offer as it showcases its achievements in the last 4 years. Betty.